Hey everybody, it is currently October 22nd, but the market has not opened yet. So by the time you guys see this, you will be able to start entering the trade I'm going to show you. If you guys look here, and let me highlight this for you, I just realized probably can't see that too well. There you guys go. I usually use blue on black and I use black on white. But I uploaded this previously on the YouTube channel along with Apple. I'll show Apple as well really quick. Both of them hit their bullish profit targets. If you saw that video, you would know that I expected them to within the next week or two of uploading that video. So they both did pretty well. Tesla will be releasing their earnings today post-market, or Wednesday, October 22nd post-market. Let's clear that. And I want to go over their earnings trade for you guys. And I also want to go over a little bit of an analysis, but it's not going to be too much for you. And you guys will see why shortly. Let's move this over really quick. But typically when I'm going over an analysis, I want to look for the highs and lows first, just to try to pinch price, because I'm always talking about pinching price. I'll start on higher time frames, go to lower, and I just pinch price high, low, until I get the small little target that I'm looking for. And I look to the upside and to the downside. If we look where price is currently at, to me, this is super choppy. I want to first mark off this low, the previous target that was hit, because this is where the bullish rally started. And then I want to mark off the low of the range that we're currently in. I'm going to ignore this right here. I know a lot of people like to try to get the lowest lows and the highest highs. I typically don't do that. I want to capture as much movement as possible. So I'll probably mark right around there. And I'm going to be changing this to a zone in a little bit as well. For the high, I want to go just about right here. And if you guys wanted to, you could probably move it up there or there. And same thing on the low. If you wanted to move it down to right there, there, or there, that is totally fine, but that's not how I would mark it. Like I said, I would zone this instead, and I would just call this a range. So I'd be looking at it more like this. And I like round numbers, so we're going to do 448.5, and we're just going to erase that and make it 422.5. Now, I actually want to make this into an options contract. So let's do 447.5 and 422.5. So that way, both of those are available strikes. Now, how would I trade a range? If we're looking here, I would typically say what's the most recent respect or disrespect to structure. And we'd have to look all the way back down here. Where did price most recently break? To the upside, and then it's in this range. So what would I be looking for right now is price to move further to the upside. Whether or not it's going to, I have no idea. Earnings is always a risky bet to be playing with, which is why I do non-directional trades or long strangles. Now for my Tesla earnings trade, I will be giving them a 402.5 put and a 487.5 call. That will look like this on screen. For my own portfolio, since trading Tesla earnings, I'm currently 2-3 in the last 5 quarters. With one of those wins actually being my second largest winning trade ever, with the losses peaking at only -3 points and one of them being -2 and the last one being -1 point. I rate Tesla a 7 out of 10, which I kind of want to lower them down to a 6 out of 10, but the algorithm does say 7. They just haven't performed as well on these last 2 quarters. As you guys can see, this was only an 8% move, this was a 5% move, and this one was actually pretty bad as well, a 2% move. You guys can see here, these are my winning trades. This was a 12% move, and right here, 21% move. That's my 2 winning trades right there. Here's my 3 losses. And then let's see if we can try to get back up to break even with a 3rd win coming up on this earnings announcement. I just want to do a simple little analysis and price prediction on Tesla and then give you guys the earnings trade as well. And I also want to say shortly, I appreciate you guys keeping up the support while I was in Greece. You guys really kept up the view counts, the interactions, all of it. So thank you guys so much for that and continuing to visit the channel. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.